Welcome to Rust by Examples, Lesson 4. Today we're building a temperature converter. Let's explore functions, floats, and match. First, let's create our project. Cargo new temperature converter. Here's our project structure. The default main.rs has Hello World. Functions are declared with the fn keyword. Parameters have explicit types, like C:\F64. Return types come after the arrow. The last expression without semicolon is returned. Let's write our conversion functions in Nvim. First, delete the existing code with ggdg. Now we write Celsius to Fahrenheit. The formula is C times 9/5 plus 32. Next, Fahrenheit to Celsius. In main, we use both functions. Convert Celsius to Fahrenheit and back again. Both results should match. F64 is the default floating point type. Use :1 to format with 1 decimal. Rust requires explicit type annotations. Now let's add user input with Nvim editing. Capital O opens a line above for use statement. We search for fn main to navigate quickly. Delete the hard-coded lines with stdin. Now we add a prompt for the user. Read the input into a mutable string. Parse it to F64 and convert both ways. We also convert back to Celsius to use both functions. Cargo run and enter 100 Celsius. Perfect. Match compares a value against patterns. Each arm has a pattern and code to run. The underscore catches all other cases. Let's add bidirectional conversion with match. We copy the input stage to start from there. In Nvim, we'll add a menu and choice handling. Delete the old prompt and add our menu. Print the converter title and options. Read the user's choice, then the temperature. The match expression handles both directions. Option 1 converts Celsius. Option 2, Fahrenheit. Let's run our complete temperature converter. First, 100 Celsius, that's boiling water. 212 Fahrenheit, perfect. Now Fahrenheit to Celsius with 32 degrees. 0 Celsius, the freezing point of water. Finally, body temperature at 98.6 Fahrenheit. 37 degrees Celsius, as expected. Let's recap what we learned. Functions have parameters and return types. F64 handles decimal numbers. Match expressions route to different code. Next, we build an in-memory to-do list. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more Rust tutorials. See you in the next lesson.